Another severe earthquake shook Mexico. A 5.9 quake on the Richter scale has shaken the western coast of the country, the Tsunami Alert Center for the Pacific Ocean announced, the Bulgarian national radio reported. On Tuesday, the country was hit by an earthquake of magnitude 7.1. There were several more powerful quakes, with the number of victims already exceeding 400. Meanwhile, the Associated Press reported that the Popocatépetl volcano had emitted a cloud of ash about 2 kilometers in the air. Experts believe the volcano's activity is not related to the earthquakes that shook Mexico in recent days. Please log in to post a comment.